Hello! If you need to remove the tail light from your Mercedes W116 and you need to know how to do it, well, this is the video for you. Let's watch it now. We will remove it from the boot and we will remove those two wheels, those two plastic wheels. Okay, perfect. Once it's done, we're just gonna remove the bulb holder. Here we go, and we're gonna remove the electric cables. This electric cables is the one that feed the number plate. Okay, gone. And now the other one that feed all those bulbs. Perfect. Now using a ratchet, number 8, we're gonna remove those 7 bolts. 6 and one last one here. Okay. Now that everything is removed at the back, we're just gonna push it that way and it should come off. Okay, sometimes it could get stuck because the joint can be a bit old and it can stuck to the bodywork. Okay, this is it. This is how we remove the entire tail light. Okay, now if yours is broken here, you can just change that part and not the entire tail light. Okay, for this you remove the 6 bolts that are inside, and then you can split it, okay, and just change the other part. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video and we'll see each other in the next one. See ya.